So my prototype is a generative AI powered system for cement optimization. So I am here explain to my prototype in following section. First introduction, second a problem statement, third is our solution, fifth is a visual explanation, fifth is benefits and impact on conclusion. Let's start the first introduction. Today I am excited to present our solution for optimizing cement operations using generative AI. The cement manufacturing is energy intensive and involve complex processes like cleaning, heating, motor load management, feeder rates, and emission control. Our solution leverages AI to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and minimize environmental impact. Second section is a problem. So currently cement plants struggle with frequently cleaning temperature, high motor energy use, and excessive emission. Real-time decisions are tough with massive IoT data. These challenges impact both cost and suitability. Third section is our solution. So our system integrate IoT sensor, PLCs and generative AI. Sensor capture temperature, vibration, motor load and emission and weather data. AI analyze this data, predict optimal setting and provide recommendation auto suggestion. The live dashboard shows plants operators all the details and alerts them to issues and lets them apply AI recommendation with one click. This way plants save energy, keep product quality and stable and reduce pollution. The demo visualize. So I show you UI. This is the UI. Cement live IOC dashboard and clean temperature, motor load, feeder rate, weather temperature. This is the graph. So the suitability tracker also call use, alternative for use TRC. This is the chatbot you want to ask to improve product quality. I want to increase efficiency. Click here, click apply. This is the apply for the best suggestion now. This is the optimization section, cement plant optimization. This is fuel use, efficiency, motor vibration, temperature. This is the graphs. Also this is the message, high vibration, schedule motor, running con consider adjust the feed. This is the report. You can download the reports date wise. Let's start continue with the fifth feed benefit and impact. The benefit and impact. Our solution ensures consistently quality, reduce cost, improve compliance, and enable real-time data-driven decision making. In short term, say smart production, generic operations, and high profitability. So thank you for watching. We are excited to transform cement manufacture with AI. Thank you.